Hi guys, how are you all?
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi guys, how are you all?
I'm good.
We'll wait for another 1 minute. Let everybody join.
Okay.
Hi Karthik, hi Kanishka, hi Arnav, hi Sid. How are you doing in school, Sid?
We're doing geometry.
You're doing geometry in school? Are you discussing triangles? What are you discussing in geometry in school?
We're discussing volume.
So I can't
Sid, are
hear
you-
I can hear Miss Priya, but I can't hear her.
Sid, right? For me
Yeah.
too. Sid, we are not able to hear you properly.
Really? Can you hear me? Can you
Uh,
hear me?
yes, that's
Um,
better.
we're doing volume.
Okay, volume. Okay, volume of a prism.
Yeah, rectangular prism.
Nice. Okay, Manya, what are you doing in school, ma?
Forgot.
You
Let
forgot.
me think about it. I'll tell you.
Sure. No problem. Arna, what are you doing in school?
In school, we started order of operations with the negative numbers.
Okay, Arnav, you know what? I can't, I have to see your face. I have to clearly see your face. Yeah, thank you. Adrit, what are you doing in school?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
we're doing area and perimeter in school.
Okay, Adrit, what are you doing? Adrit, are you talking? Is, am I the only person not hearing? Are you able to hear him?
No, I can't hear him either.
No.
I can't hear
No,
him
ma.
either.
Adrit, we are not able to hear you. Can you get your mom's help? Parvini, you, ma. Parvini and Sanskriti. For Sanskriti, I will come back to you. Parvini, you.
Hmm?
What are you doing in school? I
That's not
want to
my
know
name.
the. I'm sorry, Pranavi.
Uh,
Come on.
we're doing like variables with order of operations.
Okay. Okay, good to know. All of you are doing the same thing. Karthik, you.
We're doing volume.
You're doing volume. Give me a minute. Why Izzy is not here?
Miss Priya, can you hear me now? Yeah.
Yes. Very well. Okay. You're doing volume, okay, which is good for us. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, how was the homework? Did you have any questions? Is Sanskriti, were you able to cope with the homework, ma?
Yeah, pretty much. I just, if I was a bit confused, I just asked my mom for help.
Okay, but you were able to get caught up with it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what I want to do is, one second. Okay. I don't know how difficult this was, integer operations, but let me review that and then only I'll move on. Okay. Make sure you're submitting your homework, guys. What I see is,
Miss Priya. Sorry I
yeah.
submitted mine late because um I had like 10 more problems left, but I was busy on Thursday and Friday, so I wasn't able to do it.
I
But I
see.
submitted it kind of.
No problem. See, I will check up only, honestly, to be very honest with you, a day before. Okay, though I give you 5 days time. Okay. Next week as well, we'll have half hour early class. Okay, guys? Really want to compensate. Okay. One area which I want to concentrate on today is the statistics part, the box and whisker plot, all that stuff. Arnav, my main problem is Arnav Kanishka. Who is Kanchana?
Huh?
Whose mom is Kanchana?
No.
Nobody's mom is Kanchana.
Hmm. No mind.
Huh?
I don't think so.
That's okay. Okay, I have huge issues, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, whenever it is, you have to submit your homework, okay? Who's Naveen Kumar? Whose dad is Naveen Kumar?
My dad.
Who's dad, ma?
Hi, Dad.
Okay, see, Kanchana, I'm going to remove then. 1 second. See, this is a little scary to me. Kanchana. I'm going to remove. Let's keep going.
Oh, Miss Priya, it might be Izzy or something.
What
Maybe.
is it, ma?
The person you removed, it might be Izzy.
Might be whom?
Izzy?
I don't know. I did ping her as well. Let's see. But anyway, I removed now. Okay. So let's see. I removed now. Let's see. That's okay, ma. That's okay. Meaning I can add them in, but I can't accept anybody else in class, right, ma? So which is safer?
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. I just want to review what we did. It's not new, but I just want to review what we did. Okay, it was a little higher level that I gave you, but let's see. Um, okay, how did you guys do this? I gave you this. This was a little hard one. Let me see. Oh, or did you all skip this? I don't know. Let's see. in the homework, whatever was a little bit hard, I'm giving it to you here. Let's see. This is part 2, variables equations. I had reviewed two things, right? One is order of operations, one is variables equations, right? So, who can, meaning all of you solve this and tell me what is the value of k. Solve for k. Do you know what is this? Mm-hmm.
Um,
Wow, Siddh. Very nice.
oh,
Okay. Sid,
is
if
it
I don't
answer?
want you to be whiling away your time, Sid, do you know how to simplify this expression, Sid?
You can
No, no, no.
sub.
Sid, I gave you a second question.
Oh,
Yeah. And then I really want you to do.
Is my answer correct for the first one?
I'll check, ma. You can proceed with the second one, ma. I have
Yeah.
three questions. I'm just reviewing what we did last week or what was in the homework. Nothing else new I'm doing.
Is my answer correct?
I'm checking now. 1 minute. I was writing the problems, right? I'll do one by one. Don't worry. Karthik, can you solve it on the board, Karthik? That doesn't seem right. Arnav, that's right. Srimanya, that's right. Karthik, can you solve it on the board for me? I'll help you, Karthik. Can you go ahead and solve it on the board? I'll help you. Sanskriti, are you careful with the signs, ma? Integer operation, the signs. You good. Karthik, I wanted to solve on the board.
I really
Parveen,
don't get how to do the first step though.
no problem. Leave it. I will help you, Karthik. Kanishka, where are we, ma? Kanishka and Adrit. Can I get your answer? Pranavi, where is your
Yeah.
answer?
I sent mine.
I
So,
sent mine too.
Yeah, and you never.
Pranavi, yours is correct.
Miss Priya.
Adrit, Adrit, for question number 1, I need to know what is the answer, right?
Yeah, I'm still solving it.
Sorry,
Miss
sorry. Okay.
Priya.
Yes, ma?
For question 2, do we just simplify it or do we find y?
How? Okay, Sid, how can you find y? Is there an equation? Is it an equation or an
Mm,
expression?
expression.
If it is an expression you can't solve, you can't find the value of y, you can only simplify. Can you do that for me quick?
Okay.
Simplify and tell me.
Miss Priya, I forgot. I don't get the second problem.
That's okay, I'm going to explain. Don't
Hi,
worry.
Miss
Then
Priya.
For
go
my
to the third problem. Hi, easy.
Sorry I
Go
was late. We were at temple. I just got
No
back home.
problem. Okay, ma. Go ahead.
is my second answer correct? Let me label that.
Oh my goodness. 1 second, guys. Okay, that's the deal. Okay. Just give me a minute, okay? You can solve all the three problems. Keep it ready for me. Give me a minute. What did you do,
Miss
guys?
Priya,
Yeah,
where
Adrit and Karthik, why are you so hesitant to do it on the board? I'm here to help you guys,
What do you
right?
want? I connected.
Karthik,
Yeah.
can you solve it on the board? Adrit, can you solve it on the board? You know me, right? If you do it on the board, I'm going to help you, right?
But for what question?
The first question, I will help you, I'm saying. Why don't you do it on the board?
I don't get how to do it really.
Oh, okay. So what do you do? Did you do the homework, Karthik?
Yeah.
Then in the homework, how did you do?
I
So
just
don't touch the expression with the variable. Don't touch the expression with the variable, okay? But you
okay.
don't want anything else on that side. You don't want anything else on that side. If it is a plus 2, you do a minus 2. If it is a minus 2, you do a plus 2. Do the opposite on both the sides. Now rewrite this. K by minus 4, this becomes a 0, will be equal to 6. Now, finally come to the expression with the variable. How to remove this minus 4? How to remove this minus 4 in the denominator? How to remove that? Yes, Sid.
Add a -4 to the k. Not -4. Add minus to the k.
Add? I can't add. It's division by 4, right? What do you do? Division by minus 4. What should you do? The opposite you should do. If it's, see, the variable has been divided by minus 4. What if you do the minus 4 will go off? Multiply by minus 4 on both sides. Did you get it? If you multiply by minus 4 divided by minus 4 is 1. They go off. So k will be equal to minus 24. Adrit and Karthik, did you get it?
Yeah, now I get it.
Okay, if you want to plot this on the number line, plot 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Just a number line. All should be a minus. You see? Now, this is incorrect. This is incorrect way of doing, right? So, if it is negative, what happens? This is minus 20, minus 21, minus 22, minus 23, minus 24. Then put a dot here and show k equal to minus 24. This is how you plot it on the number line. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go ahead and do the second problem. I'm going to give you more wherever you're lagging. If you want to simplify, right, this is a teeny tiny bit tricky. Why? There's a bracket and there is minus 4 outside with no operation. What does it mean? It means, see, the parenthesis is like a family, right? Because in PEMDAS you give more importance to it. But whatever is outside, right, there is no operation means it's multiplication. But the multiplication applies to y, applies to 4 as well. So minus 4 times y is minus 4y. First distribute. Minus 4 is like an ice cream for the family. Ice cream is being distributed to all the members of the family. Minus 4 times y is minus 4y. Minus 4 times
It's supposed to
minus
be. Sorry, it's
5,
supposed to be
5, 5,
5.
5. Okay. Minus 4 times minus 5 is what?
-20.
Minus, that's
Miss
incorrect.
Priya, Miss 20.
Minus 4 times minus 20 is what?
20. Oh, sorry.
Plus, plus 20,
Oh,
right? Then
Oh.
plus 2y. Now what happens? The y's can be combined. Minus 4y plus 2y is minus 2y plus 20. Did you all get it?
oh, I did the opposite and I did minus 6y plus 20.
Oh my goodness. Because see, this is a minus, this is a plus. You need to subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. You
Wait,
got
that's.
it?
Oh, I didn't know that. I forgot. So I've been getting
That's
confused.
okay. That's why I'm reviewing, right? You will all forget, I know. That's why I'm pulling problems that are a little harder. Now, what is this expression? They're asking, what is the value of this when j equal to minus 2? I'm going to try. See, the minus, I'm going to copy it. What is j? J is minus 2. Square. I will just rewrite it. Minus 3. And then j is a minus 2. And then a 4. Now what do I do? Minus 2 square is what? What is
4.
minus 2 square?
4.
4. But this minus remains. Minus 4. Then minus 3 times minus 2 is what? Easy. Minus 3 times minus 2 is what?
-3 minus -2 is +6.
Positive 6 plus 4. Here minus 4 and plus 4 get cancelled. Answer is 6. Sid, your answer seemed incorrect. Did you understand why?
No.
What is that you didn't understand? Good job, Pranavi.
Minus
Sanskriti.
4.
Good job.
Wait. Minus.
Plus 2.
Okay, I get it now.
Manya, did you understand the second one?
Yeah.
Arnav, did you understand the second and the third one?
Yeah, no.
Okay, now Tanishka. Where is Tanishka? Okay.
It just left.
No problem. Okay, her internet was a little shaky, that's why I called her. Okay, so let's see this one. Minus 3 y minus 2 plus 6. Can you simplify this? Would you be able to let me change it a little bit, guys. Can you simplify this? Number 1, please take your time. I really want you to do it correctly. Okay, minus k square minus 4k plus 2k will be equal to a minus 3. Okay, find the value of the expression. Find expression value. Expression is something which you have without the equation. Come on, guys. Did you get it, guys? Did you have a question?
I only did question 1. I'm still doing question
Take your
2.
time, send both the answers. I really want you to be good at all these. Then only I'll move on. Simple.
Miss Priya, I
Yeah.
sent my first one. Oh, wait, sorry. Wait, that was the wrong answer.
Oh, sorry.
Now I did.
I just sent my first answer.
Go ahead. I'll wait, guys, but try to get it correctly.
Miss Priya, can I go to the restroom?
Yes, please, Arnav. Come back quickly. Otherwise, I won't know what you know.
Okay.
No problem, Varnika. I understand. We just started, so you can send the answer to me. Tanishka, good job, ma.
I sent my second answer.
Tanishka, the second one seems incorrect, ma, Tanishka.
Are both my answers correct?
Give me a minute, Karthik. Would you mind giving me a minute?
Mm.
You're going to give me a minute, guys. I'll be back.
Miss Priya.
Irma? Irma? Did you get it, guys?
Wait, can I real quick change my second one? I think I got it wrong.
No problem. You can change your answer. But
Miss Priya,
yeah, ma.
is my second one right?
I'll check. Tanishka, your second one wasn't right, ma. Hey, Varnika, where did you get 36Y? Was it a typo, Varnika? Where did you get the 36Y, ma?
I just
That
sent
is
my
very
second
scary.
answer.
Huh?
I just sent my second answer.
That's a little scary. Varnika, I know where you made the mistake on the second one. Second one you have to redo, Varnika.
Sorry.
Manya,
Did I get it correct?
Manya, the second one doesn't seem right, ma.
Okay.
Sanskriti, you are not putting question numbers, and there's no way for me to check against your answer.
Priya, I
Pranav,
don't understand question 2 and question 3.
there are only two questions on the board.
Oh,
Pranavi, the first one is right, the second one is incorrect, ma. Pranavi, I want you to redo. You're all not focusing. That's the problem. Yeah, good, Sid. Very nice job. Why the question, Sid?
I
Why were you not confident? Yeah,
I don't know why I wasn't confident.
Cherry, okay. Okay, Sanskriti, the first one is right, the second one is incorrect. Adrit, very good job on the first question. Karthik, please be careful with the signs, Amma. Karthik, please be careful with the sign. You did it correctly. Actually, you're not careful with the sign. When minus 3 is multiplied by y, what happens? It becomes minus 3y. Minus 3 is multiplied with minus 2, what happens? Plus 6, and then you copy this minus 6. Karthik, these two will get cancelled. Plus of a number and minus of a number always becomes 0. Answer is minus 3y. Kanishka, you're not answering as well. Now, if k equal to minus 3 is substituted here, right, what happens? Copy down this minus. K means, please write down fully, don't be lazy. And then minus 4 times k is a minus 3 plus 2. Now I'm going to do minus 3 square is what? This one,
just 9.
just 9, but the minus stays. And then a plus
Minus
12
9. Yeah.
plus 2. Right?
I
Minus
did
9.
my second answer again.
That's fine, ma. I'm going to explain, right? You can check. Minus 9 plus 14 gives you a 5. Any questions, guys? Hey, Tanishka, did you understand the second one, Tanishka?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so, okay. Another thing is, I don't know whether I talked about integer chip model. That's why I did not give that to you as homework. Okay, how about this? I don't know where you are with respect to these, meaning likely that many of you might have forgotten which value of x makes this equation true.
Priya.
Miss
ma.
Priya, I sent my answer. Is it correct?
Priya.
Yeah, ma. I'll check.
I was just like, I was, I was like doing like the question, and then I realized something. So I had like just one question on the homework.
We can discuss that. Okay,
Okay,
go ahead and do this one.
okay. It was question 27, by the way.
We'll do, ma. One second.
Okay.
One second.
I had a question on question 30 and
I will do, ma.
42, 46, 47.
I just died. Ahem. Ahem.
Okay. Guys, I really want you to send the answer to me on this.
I sent one.
Guys, okay, let's see this one. 27, somebody asked. I'm going to review every part of the homework I feel now.
Is my answer correct?
I'm checking, ma. Good. Adrit, that answer is correct. Sid, that answer is correct, Sid. Thanks for the explanation. Pranavi, that answer is correct.
Miss Priya.
Tanishka, that answer is correct.
Miss Priya.
Yama,
Guess what?
Manya, that answer is correct. Varnika. Varnika, can you explain why D is correct?
D is correct because if x is next to a number, that means we do -2 times x.
Yeah,
And
but then
since I'm saying that -2 times x it's 8. -2 times 8 is -16. And then +4 it's 12.
no, right? It's -12, right, Varnika?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so please be careful with the signs, guys. Signs is important. Okay, Kanishka. Answer is B, ma. How did you get C, Kanishka? -2 times 4 plus 4. What is the answer? -8 plus
I
4.
did
Answer.
I did first I did D because I put it as plus.
But did you understand it now?
Yeah.
Manya, I didn't get your answer, right, Manya?
I did.
Sanskriti,
I
your
put
answer was
B.
too late. Yeah, Sanskriti, your answer was too late on that. I'm not sure whether you really understood.
Oh
Okay,
yeah,
Priya.
I was doing it before. I was doing it before, but I just forgot to send my answer in.
Okay, put this. This is a tricky problem, guys. Whenever you distribute a negative number, it is tricky. Whenever, see, the parenthesis is like a family members. You distribute the ice cream -5 to each member in the family. When you do that, when you distribute a negative number, it's going to be a little harder on you. Let me see how you do this one. I'll wait, but please focus and do.
Wait, so do we say what's the value of n that makes this equation true?
What is that, ma?
Like do we for this question, do we find the value of n that makes this question true?
The question is asking solve means you have to find the value of n.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, you have to solve. Send it to me. I'll give you two questions, okay?
Am I correct?
I'm going to give you another one. Let me see how many of you do that as well, okay? Do this one. Go ahead. There are two questions on the board. Let me give you the question numbers as well. I really want you to solve properly. This distribution of the negative number is going to be a little hard. You have to write an equation for this situation. Okay, write an equation for this situation. Okay, when you write the equation, right, I really want you to consider x will be equal to the number of miles. X will be equal to the number of miles and y will be the total cost. Please consider the variables and send the answer to me.
Miss Priya, I did my answer for number 1.
I'll check, ma. Send the answer. Both the answers. Guys, if you did not understand, I'll explain, no problem, but you have to send it to me that you did not understand. Okay, you cannot keep quiet in my class. I'll be observing and who's not answering.
I sent both of my answers.
Yes, okay. I'm checking one by one. Sanskriti, the first answer is correct, ma. Kanishka. It's confusing, guys. Sanskriti, the first answer is correct. Kanishka, the first answer is correct. Vaibhav, the first answer is correct. Very nice, Vaibhav. I really like the way you solved second one. Arnav. Arnav, I want the equation to have x and y. You cannot put in any value. Manya, the first answer is correct. Tanishka, that's not the first question, Tanishka. Where is the answer for the first question?
I put it before.
Sorry, lady. Yes, you are right. I was wrong. But Tanishka, your first answer is incorrect, ma'am.
Okay.
Just check. I know what mistake you did, but I don't want to say what you did. Recheck and let me know. Pranavi, correct. If you redo, you'll get the right answer, Tanishka.
You don't get the second one, but I get the first one.
First one is what? Hey,
No,
Sid,
I get the first one, but I don't get the
Sid, the first one is incorrect, Sid. Can you check on the first one? You cannot afford to make a mistake there because having solved the rest of the questions correct, why did you make a mistake there? Correct, Varnika. Both are correct. Very nice, guys. Karthik, I want an equation. Karthik, you did not read the question. See which equation matches this situation.
Oh, okay.
So you need to have an equation that connects x and y.
Okay.
I sent my answer
Yeah,
for
ma'am.
question 1.
Sid, it's correct now. So just being careful, just being
Miss Priya, can you check my second one?
second one. Yes, Manya. Both are correct. Now,
Yeah.
Yama,
Can I go to
Izzy,
the bathroom?
Izzy, did you send the answer?
I can't. It won't let me.
Izzy, then you can't keep quiet in my class. I told you, right, Izzy?
Yeah.
You should have raised it, right? You cannot keep quiet in my class.
My bad.
You have to send back the answer. Now, are you able to send back the answer to me?
No.
Tanishka, why? Are you
I
logging
don't
from an
know.
Are you logging from an iPad?
Yeah, it's the only device I have.
I'm going to message your mom. That doesn't work.
Okay.
Yeah, ma, you go and come. Sanskriti, good job. Good job on the equation. Where is the equation, guys? Adrit? Okay, Adrit. I want something to connect X and Y. A taxi charges a flat fee of 5. The taxi is charging 5. Suppose if X is the number of miles, X is the number of miles, the cost, suppose if I travel 1 mile, it will be 1x. That is the cost. If I travel 2 miles, 2x is the cost. If I travel 3 mile, 3x is the cost. If I travel 4 mile, 4x is the cost. So if I travel x number of miles, right? If I travel, oh, I'm sorry, 1 second. 1 second. So if I travel 1 mile, the cost is 1 times 2.5. If I travel 2 miles, the cost is 2 times 2.5. If I travel 3 miles, the cost is 3 times 2.5. If I travel 4 miles, the cost is 4 times 2.5. When you think about this, right? If I travel x miles, the cost is 2.5 times x. Right? So that gets added 2.5 times x. That will be the total cost y. Adrit, did you get it?
Yeah. Wait, Miss Priya, what question was this in the homework? I want to see, if I got that answer.
Yeah, sure, ma. The question number was 28. You got it?
Let me see. Can you go
I
back? What answer did you get? Can I
You
see?
go back. I can go back.
I wrote 5 plus 2.5x equals 20. I got it correct that time.
I resent the answer for the second one with an equation. So is it
Uh-huh.
correct now?
You resend. No, that's not correct, right? Karthik, you're not doing it right.
Miss Priya, can I use the bathroom real quickly?
You have to think about 5 is the flat rate. 2.5 Sanskriti, you have to mute yourself. Sanskriti, if you unmute, there is a problem. I don't know what it is. You have to mute, ma.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, but my voice is echoing if you unmute.
Oh,
Okay, $5 plus 2.5 per mile means if you travel X miles, right, it's 2.5 X is the cost. That will be Y. Karthik, you cannot say like this and all. You see, what is this X? X, see, X is the number of miles. Y is the cost. Why are you adding both? You cannot add the number of miles and the cost, right, Karthik?
Yeah.
So you need to find the total cost means y will be equal to this cost 5 plus if you travel x miles, what will be the cost? Think about it. What will be the cost if you travel x miles? 2.5 times x. You got it?
Oh, okay.
That is how you need to write. Okay, now, guys, I'm not comfortable. I don't know. Let's see. Go ahead and do this one for me. When it combines with negatives, it becomes harder. Go ahead. Good job, Sid. That was correct. Varnika, very nice job. Arnav, the equation was incorrect. Did you understand? Arnav, Karthik, you all should concentrate on. Um,
I understand the equation now.
Miss Priya, is mine's right?
Tama.
I just sent it.
Is mine right, Miss Priya? I sent it.
Same.
Okay, Arnav, I'm going to give you another problem and see.
Okay.
Karthik. Yeah, Karthik, the same problem. Okay, here. 1 second, guys.
One negative 2x plus 3 plus 1 y and x equals. Oh,
Uh-huh. Arnav, is that correct, Arnav? Can you check on
I
the
think
sign? Adrit, good job. No, it's not correct.
Miss
Kanishka,
Priya,
see, Arnav, the main problem is minus 5 times minus 2. You're not
oh
putting the, yeah.
I
Srimanya, that's incorrect, ma. Srimanya, do it on the board. Pranavi, correct, ma. Vaibhav, correct.
Miss
Kanishka,
Priya, can I
correct.
tell you my answer?
Yes, please.
I got 11, like
Good job.
positive.
Uh-huh. Manya is doing it on the board. I'm going to move on now after that. I'm going slow, guys. I know I'm going slow, but I don't know. I really want you guys to get it. Chips, I
It's
don't know
not
whether
letting me draw.
go ahead.
You're
It will let you.
drawing.
You're drawing, we are seeing, right? Manya, you copied it incorrectly, ma. What, ma?
Basket.
Where is this minus, Manya?
Can I use the basket?
Yeah, you go. Kanishka, go. Hey, Manya, where is that? Go ahead. Plus
I
1.
think
So what do you
so.
do with this? Minus 2 times minus 5.
Positive 10,
Plus 1. So what is the answer, Manya?
um, 11.
Ah, see, you got it, Manya. So you need to
Yeah.
be a little extra careful. It's not that you don't know. That's what I'm saying.
I
Okay,
didn't see
now,
the minus in front of the negative
yeah,
in
yeah,
front
yeah.
of
I hear you. That's okay.
wow
See, only when you do it on the board, it becomes very clear. Okay, now let's see this one. These are all word problems. Let's see. Based on integers. Can you try that one for me?
wow well Well.
Miss Priya, I have the answer.
Yeah, ma.
I got the answer. Can I say it or should I wait?
Wait, ma.
Thank you.
Is my answer correct?
Is my answer correct?
Go ahead. Uh,
Got my answer.
um, good job, Arnav. Manya, very nice. You guys are good with this. Pranavi, good ma. Vaibhav, very good. Tanishka. Can you recheck Tanishka? You're a little careless there, I feel.
I just came.
Sid correct. Varnika correct. Please do that problem, ma, Kanishka.
Okay.
Karthik correct. Sanskriti correct. Tanishka, can you recheck and redo? Okay, the others, you don't need to wait. Okay, yeah, go
Can I
ahead.
say my answer?
Yes, please. Thanks for
Um,
waiting. Go
I
ahead.
got -7.
Yes. Tanishka, did you see why it's a -7?
Yeah, I forgot to put the sign there.
Yeah, I know. That's why. Okay, how about this? Do the second problem, guys.
Miss Priya, I didn't do the other question.
Why? You went to the restroom, right? Do this question.
Okay.
Miss Priya, I got my answer.
Miss Priya, I got my answer.
Yes. Oh, that's a good question. Let's see.
Is my answer correct?
Oh, good job, Tanishka. Tanishka, you are getting a hang of it. Sanskriti, redo ma. Redo. Are you writing fully or the Sanskriti do it on the board? You can do it on the board if you want to. Sid, very good job. Sid, I'm seeing that you are very careful on that.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Varnika, that's not correct. Varnika, I want you to do it on the board. Whoever I'm calling, you have to do it on the board. Varnika, you have to do it on the board. Karthik, that's correct. Good job. You're being careful now. Good job, Adrit. Pranavi, very nice. Manya, very nice, ma. Arnav, not really Arnav. Do it on the board. Yeah, see, at the end of it, doing it on the board helps you guys, not me.
I turned
Okay,
my
doesn't
answer.
just space out. Why did you erase it?
Can I do it on the board?
Yeah, please. Whoever has a doubt, you have to do it on the board. Easy, no. You have to shout out your answer. Wait,
Well,
easy.
I was waiting. I didn't do anything.
Yeah, no. Don't do it on the board. I really want the incorrect ones to be done on the board. That's all easy. Nothing else. Okay?
Miss
Okay.
Priya, I understand it.
Uh-huh. Okay. Now, my main problem is, hey. What is this? Minus is copied. Very good. Then y and z are there. Where are the two numbers? Y and z are there, right?
Oh wait, now
Yeah.
I understand my mistake now.
Wait. Here, Sanskriti. Y is a minus 2, right? This minus you've copied. This minus you've copied here. But y, when you substitute, it's a minus 2, right? Sanskriti, are we clear? Sanskriti,
Yes.
x is a minus 5. You're copying this minus. Then y is a minus 2, z is a minus 3. You're missing that minus in here. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Varnika, did you see what is the mistake, Varnika?
Uh-huh.
Minus 3 times 2 is a plus 6. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Wait. Minus 3 times minus 2 is a plus 6, right? Then this minus and plus becomes negative 6, negative 5, right? So it'll be a minus 11. Thank you, Sanskriti.
Yeah, now I
Very-
understand my mistake.
Yeah, you need to be careful, guys. That's what I'm saying. Most of you understand, but when you do it right, you're just being careless. How about this? You're going to do the rest of the homework this week, but let me see which expression results in the smallest value. Go ahead. Which expression results in the smallest value?
I got my answer. I got my answer.
That's a tricky question, guys, indeed. It's a very tricky question. I'm going to wait and see.
I sent my answer.
I also sent my answer.
Vaibhav, not really Vaibhav.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Oh, Vaibhav, wait. You're right, I think, Vaibhav. You're right. I'm sorry, Vaibhav.
Is my answer
Arnav, good
correct?
job. Wait, I'm checking right. Vaibhav, Arnav, good job. But Adrit, I cannot do this. You have to get me the option number. Pranavi, that's right. Srimanya, that's incorrect. Karthik, that's incorrect. Please work out each answer. See which is on the leftmost side of the number line. Varnika, correct. The leftmost number is the smaller value. Siddh, perfectly correct. Adrit, good job, Adrit. Tanishka, good job on this. Sanskriti, nice work. When you think about this, guys, Kanishka, that is incorrect. This one is a negative 4. This one is a negative 100. This one is a negative 15. This one is a negative 25. Which is on the leftmost side? Which is on the leftmost side? Minus 25 is here. Minus 100 is here. So minus 100 is the smallest value. Got it, guys? Okay, now I'm going to give you one question by myself. A thing that everybody makes mistakes. Order these numbers, okay, in ascending order. In ascending order, okay?
So going up, right?
Yeah, going up. So minus 15 minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Do that, guys.
Miss Priya, is it least to greatest?
It is ascending order, so
What was that?
it is ascending order, so it's greatest to least.
Ascending order is greatest to least, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did
No,
not.
ascending.
It's least to
Pranavi, what?
greatest.
Oh, sorry.
It's going up, right? So it's least to greatest.
Going up, yes.
Okay.
So
Is my answer correct? So wait, let me type it.
wait,
Is
so
my
it's
answer correct?
least to greatest, right? Yeah, it's least to greatest.
Is my answer correct?
I will check, ma.
Okay, I sent my answer.
Kanishka, you got it, lady. Sanskriti, you got it.
Um,
Siddhi, you got it. Adrit, you got it. Uh,
I got the answer.
Adrit. That's not correct, Adrit. See, ascending order means what?
My mistake. I put in the wrong.
Adrit, from the leftmost, you're going to come to the right. You need to be very careful. This is incorrect, Adrit. Tanishka, left. Tanishka, that's right. Varnika, that's right. Karthik, that's right. Pranavi, that's right. Okay. Sri Manya, that's right. Vaibhav, that's right. Arnav, I'm telling right Arnav, which comes on the leftmost in the number line? Arnav and Vaibhav, Arnav and Adrit. Which comes on the leftmost? Adrit, you got it. Arnav, which comes on the leftmost side?
15.
Okay. Minus 15 should come first. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was from least to greatest. Oh,
That
oh,
is
oh, I
least
got
to
it mixed up. I got it
greatest.
mixed up.
Yeah,
Oh, I
yeah.
got
See,
it mixed up.
negative.
That's why.
Yeah, negative numbers work differently, right Arnav?
Yeah, I just realized.
Yeah. See, that's why we are reviewing again and again what we did. These are all what we did earlier. Now, chip model is something we didn't do. I'm going to work with you on that. Which of the following is true? Please be careful, guys. You have to read, reread, work it out, and see.
I sent my answer.
Take your time, yeah.
I sent my answer.
I got my
Okay,
answer.
good. Adrit, good. Arnav. Arnav, how do you say that,
Yeah.
Arnav? Can you explain why you said that?
My answer.
Varnika, Varnika, the difference between two negative numbers is always negative? Really? Minus 5, minus 7, minus
Oh wait,
7.
I read the thing wrong.
The diff
Oh,
you need
ding,
to,
ding.
yeah,
I
you,
read the
yeah,
thing wrong. I'm sorry.
yeah. So no problem. Making mistake is good here. Manya, I'll wait for your correct answer. Vaibhav, correct. Arnav, good job, Arnav.
Yeah,
Pranavi,
I
good
will.
job. No problem. See, correcting it here is what is required. That's what is needed. Karthik, correct, ma. Tanishka, now I gave you an example where your answer does not work. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you correct that?
Yeah.
Kanishka, correct, ma. Sanskriti. What's going on, Sanskriti? Sum of two negative numbers is positive? I don't know that. Is the sum positive, Sanskriti? Hmm. Guys, put down examples and see, guys. Just like that, don't answer. Arnav correct.
I
Varnika
got the
correct.
answer.
Yeah, Sanskriti and Easy, tell me the answers.
It's D.
Tell
It's C.
D.
D. See, the third one is a little tricky.
Oh, sorry. I meant.
Wait, could someone mute themselves because it's like
It's
echoing.
Sanskriti,
The
but it's
difference
okay.
between two negative numbers, minus 3, minus 4. This is the difference between two negative numbers. Is it negative? No, right? It depends on what number is put in here. If you put a bigger meaning if you put a minus 4, its answer is positive. If you put minus 2 in here, answer is negative. So it can sometimes be negative, sometimes be positive. Okay, I'm going to move on now. Okay, maybe this one. Minus 3m plus 4. Minus 3m plus 4 equal to a minus 11. Try this one, guys.
So we have to.
I set my answer.
Wait, do I say if it's incorrect?
Oh, Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I didn't understand this one. Could I ask you
Do
a
it,
question about this one?
do it on the board then. If you didn't understand, do it on the board. I'm here to help you, right?
So what I was saying was,
See, don't
um,
touch the expression with a variable. Remove everything on that side. How do you remove it? What is the first step?
minus.
Good, -4. Then what do you do? Yes, Vaibhav, that's correct. Adrit, that's correct. I know Sid, you got it, right, Sid? Correct. Why? Yeah, I get it. I hear you, Sid. Pranavi, -11 -4 is not 14, ma. Sanskriti, good job.
Oh,
Tanishka, did you get the answer?
Yeah, I sent it.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
and then right.
Varnika, correct. Manya, correct. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to move on. The chip addition I have to do and then I have to show you. Okay.
Is it so would it be just 5?
Yeah, 5, correct. Izzy, are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, who can answer this? Absolute value. Absolute values is something we are reviewing now. Okay, I'm reviewing a lot of things. Last week I did 2 topics. This week there'll be 2 more topics. In this chip addition is something I have not discussed much. So let's see which expression represents the distance between -5 and 3 on the number line. -5 and 3 on the number line. The distance -5 and 3 on the number line. Go ahead.
Would be
Go
is
ahead.
I sent mine.
Excuse me, teacher, can I quickly get water, please?
Not at all a problem. Go get it and come.
Thank you.
Not really, Tanishka. Tanishka, draw the number line. See the distance between. Oh, Tanishka, you are right. Huh? I don't know. Yeah, you seem to be right, Tanishka. You seem to be right, Tanishka. Good job. See, I got it wrong. Good work. No, no, I really appreciate it. If you get it right and I do it wrong. uh, Sanskriti, not really, guys. This seems a tricky question for you all. Where's
Wait,
the answer? Others.
I sent my
Miss Priya,
answer.
did you check mine?
Good. Sid, the way you're commenting on is good, but I'm glad you're recognizing the mistakes. Okay. Eh, What? Sid, what is your answer? Okay. Yes, that's true. See, distance is always a positive quantity. Good job, Manya. Distance is always a positive quantity. Arnav, The answer for D is minus 3. When you think about minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? So the distance is what? 5 units plus 3 units. Right or now? Which one gives you 5 units? This is the absolute value of minus 8 is 8. So
Oh, I guess.
which one gives the real answer?
Uh,
Which one gives the real answer?
it,
A is the answer, guys.
I
Miss
said
Priya,
Yama,
can I go to the bathroom?
yes, you can go. Quickly come back.
Okay.
Okay, now chip addition is something I want to do with you. Okay, let's see. See, when I give you integer chips, right, one thing I want you to remember is a negative and a positive chip. If I give you together, it's a 0. A negative and a positive chip, if I give you together, it makes up a 0. Make sense? Okay. Now let's see this one. Mm, one second. How about I wanted to show you something. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay, I'm going to show you something. Suppose if I have negative 4, then the chip is represented by this 4 negative chips. If I have a positive 2, the chips are represented using this. Does it make sense? Okay. Now if I give you 2 plus 2, what do? For this, you add 2 positive chips. And I'm going to add in 2 more positive chips. Answer is what? Positive 4. Any questions?
No.
Suppose if I give you 2 minus 3. What do, guys? There are 2 positive chips. Do you see there are 2 positive chips? Can I remove 3 can I remove from there? I have to remove 3 positive chips. Can I do that? I can't remove 3 positive chips when I only have 2 positive chips. You know what I do? I will add a 0 pair. I will add a 0 pair to this. Did you guys get it?
No.
I add a 0 pair to this. That means I add a 0 to that. Now I have to remove 3 positive chips. So you remove the 3 positive chips, you are left out with a minus 1. Did you guys get it? Yes, Sid.
Let's say if you replace 3 with 4, would you have to add 2 0 pairs?
Exactly. I have 2 positive chips. This is considered as removing. Remove 4 positive chips. I can't. So add the 0 pairs. How many ever you want, you add the 0 pairs. Now remove the 4 positive chips. What you are left with? Negative 2. Got it, guys? Now, how about this? 2 minus minus 4. What is this, guys? What do I do here? Who can tell me? I have 2 positive chips.
We would add the 2 positive chips and the 4 positive chips because minus and minus equal plus.
Not really. You're going to remove 4 negative chips. I don't have 4 negative chips. What do you do?
So
What do you do if you don't have 4? I have to remove. This means remove 4 negative chips. How do you remove 4 negative chips?
so I would like draw the four, the 4 0 pairs.
The 4 0 pairs you're going to add. Now, you remove the 4 negative chips. What is the answer?
Medium.
6.
Positive 6. Okay, how about this? 1 minus minus 3. Who is going to help me? Karthik, can you help me? What should I draw first?
You should draw one positive chip.
Yes, but I have to remove. This one is a
Yeah.
removal. So remove my three negative chips. I don't even have them. So what do I do? Whenever you
You
don't have,
add
you add.
0 pairs to this one.
Yes, you add zero pairs. How many zero pairs, ma?
3.
Yes. Now what do you do?
Now you take away the negative chips.
Yes. So what is the answer?
Positive 4.
Yes. You all
Miss
got it?
Yeah.
Priya,
Yes, ma. Go ahead.
isn't there like another way to do this? Like if you like you told me that if there's two negative signs, it's adding. So there's
You
two
can't do
negative.
that, ma. Pranavi with integer chips, you can't do that.
But if you add it, the 1 plus 3 would be 4, so it would be the same.
Where, ma?
Wait, go back to the other
You
problem.
can't do that. You cannot make this positive. Integer chips is so basic. So you'll have to take it as removal of three negative chips.
Wait,
Make
Miss Priya,
sense?
for integer
Yes, ma'am.
chips, would we like ever use it in high school? Most likely not,
No,
right?
no, only
Yeah,
this grade. Okay,
yeah.
now
I was
let's
just
see.
asking.
Yes, no problem. Minus 1, let's see this one. Plus 3. Who's going to help me with this? Volunteer, guys. I want some. Kanishka, go ahead and do. Or Manya, go ahead and do. Go ahead.
You add one negative chip,
Okay, now.
and then you add a positive 3 0 pairs.
Uh, no. You can add three positive chips, right? You're adding. This is add three
Oh,
positive
because
chips,
there's
right?
no like symbol in between them.
Exactly. So the zero pair gets cancelled. What is left with? Two positive chips. Make sense?
Yeah.
How about this? Pranavi, you want to help me, or Kanishka, you want to help me? That's a nice emoji to tell me that you want to say. Minus 1, minus 3.
Minus
What do you have?
-1.
That's
Oh,
true, but what is the chip you have? I need to know the chip, right?
and -1.
Negative chip you have. And after that, you're removing three positive chip. What do you do?
Have 3 positive.
Yeah, you have to remove three positive chips, right? Where will you
Oh,
remove the three?
you would do 0.
Correct.
What's it called again? The 0.
Zero pairs.
Yeah,
You will
0 pairs.
add in three zero pairs.
Hmm.
Now what do? You remove what?
The positives.
Good. When you remove it, what happens? What is the answer?
-4.
Good job, guys. Did you all get it?
Hmm.
Tanishka, did you understand, ma?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, nice. So this integer chip is so basic, but you guys need to do that. You got it? Now, okay, you're all going to do this one. Okay, who's going to do this one? Let me see. Can you do this on the board? Let me write down the names. Karthik, do this on the board for the chip one. Sid, do this on the board.
Can I do one?
Absolutely, ma. Ma, please, Sid, you have to restrict yourself here. This is the space I gave you, right? You have to restrict yourself in this space. Okay,
Wait, I
now
just. Can I do that one, Miss Priya?
yes, ma.
Okay.
Who wants to do, ma? Kanishka?
Izzy.
Izzy, you want to do? Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
that one's good.
Ma, I'll give you, ma. Let
Um,
me let me see these guys and then I'll give the rest of you.
would it be 4 positive chips?
Plus 4 and then you're
For
adding.
number 3, would it be? Wait, why can I
If
write?
you don't know, you have to wait. Okay? You have to put a question mark and wait. Okay? You cannot interrupt the others. Karthik, you have 4 positive chips and you're Karthik, wait. Why are you adding zero? Why are you adding zero pairs? This is just addition, right?
Oh, I
So you
understand.
can, this is just adding five negative chips. That's all, right?
Yeah, I accidentally did that.
No problem. Go ahead. Mm-hmm. He has five positive chips. Good job, Sid.
I
And
have a
then,
question, Miss Priya.
yeah.
What's the difference between? Wait, is there a difference between integer chips or like just normally just doing it?
Yeah, normally doing it's a little different. Integer chips is so basic.
So you would still get different answers.
No, you will never get different answers.
It's not letting me annotate.
Miss Priya, can I use the restroom?
Yes, please come back quickly.
Okay.
Pranavi, if you're not able to annotate, I'm going to give the turn to somebody else. Can,
Try.
Vaibhav, can you do that?
Yeah, it's not right.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Vaibhav, do that. Good job, Karthik. What is the answer? Write it down and circle that.
Okay, I thought about doing that, but I didn't.
Okay, go ahead. I need to see the answer, right?
Yeah, I thought about doing it, but I just didn't.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to delete off Karthik's. Good job, Karthik. Now you got it, Karthik?
Yeah.
Okay, who else is missing? Who else I did not give a turn for?
I didn't get a turn.
Okay, Arnav,
Miss
go ahead
Priya,
and do
is
this.
mine correct?
Go ahead and do this one, Arnav. Arnav, go ahead and do this one. Vaibhav, yours is a little tricky. You have four positive chips. What are you trying to remove, Vaibhav?
You're trying to remove 5 positive chips.
Yeah, you don't have them. So how many zero pairs you need to add?
1.
Good job. Good job. Very nice, Vaibhav. Sid, I have erased yours. Who else wanted to? Please feel free to raise. Who is going to do? Tanishka, do this on the board. Kanishka. Kanishka. This is incorrect, Kanishka. What did you have? You had five negative chips. I told you that this minus or plus is add or remove. You have to remove a positive. Oh, yeah, Kanishka. You got it, lady. You got it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did not see this one. Sorry, Kanishka.
It's okay.
Okay, I got it. Good job, Kanishka. Sorry, ma. I like your heart in. Okay, now minus 5. Remove. Wait. Izzy, that's incorrect, Izzy.
It is?
Yes, minus 5. Minus 5, you have 5 negative chips.
Yeah.
And then you're removing 6 positive chips, right?
Oh, my bad. Okay, I'll do it
Oh,
again.
wow. What do
I
I
got
do?
you.
You
I
got
got you.
me? Then correct
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I just gotta erase it
Uh-huh.
because it's not disappearing, so.
Vaibhav, what are you doing, Vaibhav?
Miss Priya.
I'm drawing the negative.
You don't need those
Chip.
negatives, right? What are you doing? No. Wait. Oh. No, you
Miss
don't need it,
Priya.
right? Wait. 1 minute, ma. Vaibhav, you have
Yeah.
four positive chips. You are
Yeah.
going to remove five positive chips. You
All
are
right.
going to
Yeah.
remove five positive chips. Then you don't need these. Okay, good job, Tanishka. What you're doing is correct. Arnav, you have four positive chips, and then you're removing. You are
Oh.
removing. Yeah, think of this as removing or adding, guys. Yes, Sid. What's your question, Sid?
I have to go. I have a piano class.
Oh, you told me, right? Okay, yeah, you go. You go, Sid. You go,
Okay,
Sid.
bye.
Bye, ma. Next week, please remind me, guys. We have just reviewed so much of stuff today: variables, expressions, equations, right? Let's see. Arnav, that's incorrect, Arnav. Okay,
But
I'll
there's
help
only
you,
one
Arnav.
negative left.
Okay, I'll help you. That's incorrect. You have four positive chips, Arnav. You get it?
Yeah.
So you want to remove five negative chips. You don't have five negative chips, right? So what you
Yeah.
do is five negative, you're going to add zero pairs. You need to have five negative chips in here, right? So you're going to add zero pairs for the five negative chips. When you add that, right, or now
Yeah.
you're going to remove five negative chips. Cancel those off. What you're left with? Positive 9. Did you get it?
Oh yeah, I get it.
I said
Okay.
I did my answer.
Vaibhav, you're going
Yeah.
to remove five positives. Yes, this is correct, Vaibhav.
Mhm.
Anybody else wants to do? Anybody else wants to do?
I mean, I wouldn't mind doing another one, but never mind.
Okay, I'm going to do it.
I can do one. Never
Go
mind.
ahead and do. Go ahead and do what's on the board.
Okay.
Anybody else wants to do?
Me, I can do it.
Huma, Kanishka, I saw then. No, Kanishka, if you've done it already, please don't. Who wants to try? Who has not done and wants to try? Okay. So here there are three positive chips, and
Sanskriti,
then
can you mute?
remove four negative chips. You don't have them, so what do you do?
You move.
Wait.
Sanskriti, you have to mute yourself, ma. Hmm.
Miss Priya,
Breathing myself
you didn't give me
like
one,
this.
so can you give me one?
Huma,
Uh, what?
Sanskriti, you're doing right. Please do. Oh,
Oh, sorry. That it said Kanishka on the top, so I was like, oh.
sorry. Kanishka already did. You go ahead. Okay. Okay, so you learned chip model addition subtraction. Ma, Sanskriti, you have to mute yourself. It's a problem with your audio, ma. Go ahead. Okay, so you know for this week's homework what you're going to do?
Yeah, I have to go.
Yeah. You can leave, guys. If you're done, understood, you can leave. I'm going to work with Sanskriti to finish this. If you don't understand, you have to wait.
Miss Priya, we're doing the rest of the homework, right?
Yeah, the rest of the assignment is homework. Okay, we are reviewing only. Okay, next week I'll move on to statistics. Make sense?
Yeah.
Priya,
Bye.
Oh,
Bye. Have a good week ahead.
bye.
Bye.
Have a good
Bye.
weekend.
Bye.
Hey. Sanskriti, where are the zero pairs, ma? Sanskriti, this is incorrect. Three positive pairs are there. Three positives are there. You want to remove four negatives. You cannot remove four negatives. Whenever you cannot just like that add. You have to add them as zero pairs. That means it's like adding a zero. Do you see it? Now you can remove the four negative pairs. You end up with 7 positives. 3 minus 4 is positive 7, right, Sanskriti? Sanskriti, did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Okay, ma. I'll stop here and I'll see you next week. Have a nice week ahead. Okay, guys, you're going to give me time. You're going to give me 1 minute before I get started with the next one. Okay? Just give me 1 minute. Hi guys, how are you all?
Good. How are you?
Good, ma.
Great, how are you?
Good, ma. We'll do only an hour class. Next week looks like everybody is okay. Next 2 weeks we'll have Ashita or who, Harshika. If I forget, you're going to remind me, okay? I'm going to note down, but please, okay? We'll remind each other.
Oh, so it's not like an hour and 30-minute class?
No, there are a couple of them who could not make it this week, ma. So next week we'll have that. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm okay with anything, meaning I just want to make sure everybody feels convenient about the changes we make. That's all. You got it? Okay, yeah. Yukti, I added your mom to the group. Did you see that?
Oh, yeah, she let me know.
Okay. Okay, now we started with 1 second, guys. How many parts? Six. Okay, guys. Uh, okay, how was the homework? Did you have any questions? Can I help you go through anything of those? Did you have any questions?
I didn't have any questions.
Okay, but the thing is, did you all try to do the homework? Some of you, see, I know you're all high schoolers, but at the same time, at least try
I
going over it.
I
Uh-huh.
did half of it.
What,
Cause
ma?
I did half of it because I didn't get time because geometry spiral reviews and stuff.
Yeah, I know. It's too much, Shrita.
Like I'm able to do it. Like I'm catching up if I like miss it.
Put
It's
a
not
hold on anything that you feel easier.
okay.
You see, if a particular topic in geometry spiral reviews are too many, I feel, but it is too good for you to do that because when you face PSAT, right, you'll remember geometry better.
Okay.
See, that's the intent, okay? Particularly, it's very useful for those who are trying for CBE,
Okay.
okay? Yeah. But you concentrate on algebra too.
Yeah.
That's my intent. And who else? Yeah. Sri Charan, you're working Sri Charan on all of these?
Yeah, I did homework.
Okay, but you know what? I didn't get from several of you. Arush, what are you doing in school?
We finished our unit on rationals, and he didn't teach us about like the slant asymptote or whatever.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, noted. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Okay. So you
like
just
something that's on
got.
the SAT or
Uh, mm, they can ask anything, right?
okay.
They can ask anything on the SAT, right? But I don't know why they did not cover. Usually they cover for everybody. The slant asymptote should be covered in algebra too.
I don't know.
Okay, and that's okay. That's out of our scope. But let's do that in class. And what are you doing the next unit?
I can check.
Yeah, let me know, please, Arush. Okay, so that way I align my lesson plan as well. Yukti, what you do in school, ma?
I'm the same as Arush.
Oh, yes, I forgot. Harshika, you? Harshika and Abhiram, you.
We're doing polynomial functions right now.
Is that easy?
Yeah.
I'm thinking we finished that, right?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, Abhiram, what are you doing?
Oh, we just moved on Unit 8. We didn't get confirmed on what we're gonna go through so far.
Okay, so Unit 8 means what, Amma?
Yeah, I don't know. Like, we didn't start anything on it so far.
Oh,
But I could check the syllabus real quick if you want.
yeah, you can just tell me what it is on so that I can align whatever I am going to teach, go over now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
but I want to finish. Yeah, go ahead.
ours our next unit is about inverses and radical functions.
I see. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I just want to check what I am doing. Mm, this is module. I don't know. Let's see. Just give me 1 minute. I'm checking on what we do. Okay, so rational functions graphing, I want to finish whatsoever. 479 was the last one you did. Okay, now given a graph, I want you to be able to write the equation. We did one problem last week, I remember, but let's review that and then we'll move on. Given this graph, let me share my screen with you. We will review this a little bit and then move on. Maybe one question. Given this graph, if you don't know, just let me know, guys. Okay, I'm okay with anything to redo, do whatever you want, but at the same time you have to know. Now, comma 5 minus 3 comma 5. Oh, graphing simple rational functions. Okay, yep. Yeah, so can you write the equation of this in the format a times, can you write the equation, I want the equation in the format a times 1 by x minus h plus k. Can you do this for me? Go ahead, write the equation. If you need help, please let me know right off, I'll do it. Be able to do, or do you need help? You have to let me know, guys. Yeah, I got 3 answers. Oh, sure, I will. I just need to know. Rational exponents and radicals, okay. Oh, wow, good job, Abhiram. Aryan, only incorrect thing is the vertical stretch. Vertical stretch seems incorrect. Yeah, Ashita, that's right. So let me quickly do this. H comma k, right? H comma k. So the 0 0 moved where? You see the 0 0 moved here. Minus 1 minus 2 comma minus 2 comma 1. This is minus 2 comma 1. I just plug that in. A times x plus 2. Sricharan, I didn't get an answer from you, so I have no idea whether you know or not.
I was stuck on the finding the A.
Oh, okay, I'll help you. That's what you have to plug in values. If you do the homework, it becomes easier. Minus 3 comma 5 is a point, minus 1 comma minus 3 is a point. Let me use this point. So I'll plug in minus 3 in here, 5 in here. So 5 will be equal to a times 1 by minus 1 plus 1. So minus a plus 1 equal to a 5. Subtract 1 on both sides. 4 equal to minus a. Oh my goodness, a will be equal to a minus 4. That's what I'm getting.
That's what I got too.
Yeah, but some of you didn't get a minus 4, right? That's a little...
I got -4 as well.
Oh, okay, then we are good. Okay, Ashrita, okay. Harshika, did you understand now, ma?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, so the equation of this becomes minus 4 by x plus 2 plus 1. Okay, let me move on from here. I want to discuss land asymptotes a little bit, and then I also want to discuss graphs that cross horizontal asymptotes. Those are important, guys. I don't know, usually we cover every year. I really want to do that. Okay, those are things that you need to know. Now, coming to when you won't have horizontal asymptotes is the only case where the highest degree of the numerator equals the highest degree of the denominator. Okay, let's go ahead with one, then you'll understand. I'll go ahead with one question. I'll show you how to do and then you can do. Okay, I'm going to take this problem. I'll show you how to do, then you can do one. That way you are clear with slant asymptotes. Okay, now I'll rewrite this problem, guys. F of x equal to minus x square plus x minus 2 divided by x plus 3. As soon as you see this, right, degree of numerator is greater than degree
Priya,
of denominator.
why is it minus x squared?
I am sorry, lady. It was my bad. Thanks. Okay, thanks for the catch. So degree of the numerator means highest degree is 2 is the highest degree of the numerator. The coefficient is 1 here. X power 1 is the highest degree in the denominator. The coefficient is 1 here. Now, when the degree of the numerator is greater, you can't solve this, so you need to express such values. Here there are no horizontal asymptote, but you have a slant asymptote. Okay, so what do? Here you perform your normal division or synthetic division and express this in terms of quotient plus remainder by divisor. Okay, when you do that, what you end up with is x square plus x minus 2. Abhiram, have they discussed slant asymptotes at school for you?
No, ma'am, they haven't yet.
Okay, so x plus 3 times x is x square plus 3x. Now you're going to subtract, so I'm going to get minus 2x. Minus 2x, I'm going to bring down the minus 2. Now again x minus 2, so minus 2x minus 6, so you're going to subtract, so it's going to be a 4. How I am going to write this is x minus 2 plus 4 by x minus 3. Guys, next question you are going to do. So I just perform normal division, express this as quotient plus remainder by divisor. See, here I have a rational function where it has, I can graph that rational function easily. But do you see, this is a line equation. This line is your slant asymptote. Make sense, guys? This line becomes your slant asymptote. I'm going to graph that. So when you are given this, right, let's do this first quickly. You're going to, when the degree of the numerator is greater than the denominator, you're going to express this as quotient plus remainder by divisor. Now the line equation that comes in is your slant asymptote. How are we going to graph it? Put this y equal to x minus 2 is your slant asymptote. Okay, so how to graph that? Put x equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. X equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. Y equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So this is my slant asymptote. Any questions for you? Any questions for you? Now, what is this? Okay, I did the slant asymptote. Now I need to graph this one. This graphing, right? The graphing of this 4 by x minus 3 follows the usual way. Let's see. Okay, let's see this one first. Now, the 4 by x minus 3 follows the usual way. What do I mean by that? X equal to 3. X equal to 3. Do you see here? X plus 3 ma, again I wrote it wrongly. X plus 3 means minus 3 is your slant, the vertical asymptote. Any questions, guys? Any questions, guys? Any question till here?
No.
X minus 2 plus 4 by x plus 3, right? Meaning You will not understand. That's why I redrew the graph. Okay. I want you to clearly understand. Minus 3. So that is your vertical asymptote, and minus 2. This one is your, see here. Okay. Now we have this graph, right? Okay. The biggest part here, how to graph this is, please consider intervals. Interval means split the entire graph on the x interval domain minus infinity to minus 3. Please put more and more points. Slant asymptotes are hard to graph. So please put in more and more points. Let me see what I'm going to do. I'm going to consider interval and then the sign of the graph. Sign or whatever value, y value or the sign. Okay. Now, what is the interval? Minus infinity to minus 3, I'm going to consider this interval. Between minus infinity and minus 3, can I put in minus 5, minus 4? I'll plug in minus 5 and minus 4 and see. Let me consider the point minus 5 and minus 4. X value is minus 5 and minus 4. What happens to the graph? If I have minus 5 and minus, first let me consider minus 5, minus 7. Then if I have minus 5, right? 4 by minus 2, so this will be minus 2, minus 9, so that's a negative value, minus 9. Okay, negative. Again I will recheck using one more value, minus 4. If I have a minus 4, minus 6 plus 4 by minus 1, so that's a minus 10. Any questions? So it's again a negative, but a minus 10. Minus 5 comma minus 9, minus 5 comma minus 9, so minus 5 comma minus 9, then minus 4 comma minus 10, minus 4 comma, are we doing it right? Minus 4, did we do it right? Minus 4 is a negative 10. Okay, minus 4 is a negative 10. Okay, oh, the graph came like this. Okay, so this should be a little up. 1 second, guys. So now let's see between this interval what happens. Minus 4 and minus 3, what happens? I want to see what are the values between minus 4 and minus 3, because this is not with these 2 points I can't graph. Between minus 4, this is minus 4 and minus 3. I'll put a minus 3.5 and see. For you to be clear with, initially when you start with, please try out points. If I substitute minus 3.5, right, this is minus 5.5, 4 by minus 3.5, this is approximately a minus 1, so it comes down basically. So minus 6.5 or something, minus 3.5 is a 6.5, somewhere here. Now you know how the graph comes. Do you see, guys? Do you see the graph goes like this? It will go to the asymptotes basically, right? Now on the right side of the curve, right, minus 3 to 0 you can have another interval. Minus 3 to 0 you can have another interval. Minus 3 to 0. So let me consider the points. Between minus 3 to 0, I'll consider minus 2 and a minus 1. If I consider minus 2, right, it will be minus 4. Here I am substituting. Minus 4 plus 4 by 1. So that is a 0. And then minus 1, if I substitute, minus 3, and then 4 by 2 is a 2, so minus 1. So minus 2 comma 0, I have minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 1. You see? So between this, I really want to know between this what happens. Minus 2 and minus 1. Can I put minus 1.5? If I put a minus 1.5, minus 3.5 plus 4 by 1.5. So this is basically something like 2 point something. So it's going to be a small negative value. It's a small negative value. So minus 1.5 is a small negative value. Okay. So it's good. The graph is going to be like this, guys. Make sense? Any questions on this, guys?
What if it's like, what if f of x was like, the hash degree was x cubed, then it would become another rational.
If it is, let's see. Can I erase this? So you got how to graph it, right? Put in more points, put in more intervals. Then you can have 0 to infinity more points. Put in some values and see. Find out the sign of the graph for this one and plot it. Now I'll delete this. What is your question, Arush? Go ahead and tell
Like
me.
if the numerator for f of x was like x cubed plus x minus 2 over x plus 3, then it would become like another rational.
Yeah, in this case, right, you will get a linear factor, and then what are you going to get? A linear factor you'll get, and what else you'll get?
Oh,
You know what? Yeah.
what a
Uh,
quadratic. Right.
yeah, this one is a linear factor, which is a slant asymptote, right? Let's do this and see. One second. Okay. One second. I'm going to go to this mouse. Good questions coming up. Let's find out. Will be equal to x cube, let's say. X power 3. I will share it with you guys. Give me a minute. Plus x square plus x plus 1. So I'm going to 1 second, guys. I'll share it with you as well. Divide by x minus 1. You know what? Okay, let's see this one. I'm going to share this with you guys, whatever I am doing. I'm checking this most. So is this what you're asking, Arush?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's do this. This won't, meaning you won't get a graphing for this one. Let's say x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Here, this will be a linear plus a quadratic here, right? It will be like this, right? I'm sorry. So basically 3x minus 2 will be a remainder. So linear x minus 1 plus 2 by, oh, I'm sorry, this would be, you know what, Arush? Okay, this will be like this, right? Here we can factorize this, right, Arush?
Yeah.
You will have two vertical asymptotes, right, Arush?
Yeah.
See, in this case, this one was a question that we framed ourselves, right? So if this is factorizable, there'll be two linear factors. Here I don't see it being factorizable. But then if you factorize it, you will have two vertical asymptotes and one slant asymptote. Does that sound good?
Okay. Yeah.
Make sense?
How would you graph that?
You will have two vertical asymptotes and then one slant asymptote. Based on this interval and the signs and plugging in values, you'll plot the graph.
Okay.
Does that sound good? It won't be a nice graph. Okay, for that matter, it won't be a nice graph like we plotted with one asymptote and one slant asymptote, right? It was a graph like this, right? It won't be a graph like that for sure. Let's try one if you want to. Let me see. Let me try finding here as well, guys. Here as well, right? Where it is not factorizable. I don't see it as a see this one. The the problem here is this becomes linear plus linear by quad, right? My problem is, see here, this is not even a this becomes a rational even function, not even a rational odd. It's not even a linear, it's a constant, right? So In this case, here if it is factorizable, then automatically you will have two vertical asymptotes and one, this is a slant asymptote. Let's try and see. Give me a minute, okay? We need to see, okay. Do you know of, okay, let's see.
I think this is a bad example because like
I
the
know, they're not
quadratic has
factorizable.
like unreal roots and stuff.
Yeah, I get it. But can we make, I'm wondering if we can make the quadratic factorizable. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
For me to make the quadratic factorizable, what I should have done is, wait, let's see. Let me go back. Let's do that once and see. It's a nice question, right? So if I make it as minus 2x, it's okay, right? Not really. If I make it minus 3, no. If I make it minus 2x and 3, minus 3 plus 1. Yeah. I should get minus 2x and minus 3. If that is the case, I need to have minus x square and minus x, I think, right? Yep. Let me see, guys. Let me see. I'm trying to frame the question ourselves, so that's what is creating trouble. This might take time. Minus x square minus x. And naturally it becomes a quadratic graph. You know why it becomes a quadratic graph? But there should be a hole as well, right, in this case? Because there has to be a hole here. Minus 3 plus 1. This becomes a quadratic curve because if we factorize this, see, this does not make any sense to me. Here, if you factorize this, right, this becomes a if this is if this is factorizable by itself, right?
Yeah, that just cancels out.
Yeah, so that becomes a hole, but I'm wondering where is the hole? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't think it cancels out. Okay, let me come back, Arush. Let me come back with a proper problem and we'll
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is not a proper problem because I think here when you factorize it, there is an x minus 1 factor. They cancel out, but if it cancels out, then 1 has to be a whole, right? 1 is not a whole, so I'm just curious on this. Okay, I'll do and see. In the meantime, we'll move on. Is that okay? Let's see. I'll stop this share. Yeah, I'll tell you by the end of the class. I will do it myself, come up with a problem, and then let you know. Okay, now let's move on with what we have, slant asymptotes. Okay, in this problem, right, see, in the graph that we just did, right, the slant asymptotes, right, let me show you. I forgot to discuss the domain and range. Let's see. One second. Share the screen. How to share screen? Share notes. Where is the notes? Yeah, here. So in this case, I just want you to be aware of the domain and range as well. Okay, x equal to minus 3. This was an asymptote, and then minus 2, right? This was an asymptote, right? X minus 2, y equal to was an asymptote, right? So do you understand what is the domain and range? What is the domain, guys? Minus infinity to minus 3. This one, minus infinity to minus 3. 3 is not included. Union minus 3 to infinity. Make sense? Make sense? Okay.
Yes, Auntie.
Yep. Let's see. I'm going to give you one problem. You're going to graph and show me. With that, we'll conclude the slant asymptote thing. Okay. At least one I would like. This one is a good one though. Can I see the graph for this x plus 1? Can I see the graph for this one? We'll do two problems, guys, okay? So that way we are clear with rational function. Let's see. How about this? This one. I can redo it. Just the shape of the graph is enough for me, okay? F of x equal to just the shape of the graph. X square plus 3x minus 4. Shape of the graph is enough. Nothing else is required. Okay? And I need the domain. domain and the shape of the graph. That's more than enough.
Is this supposed to have a slant asymptote?
You find.
Okay, yeah.
Will it have a slant asymptote? You tell me.
No, right?
No.
Yeah.
That's why I said two problems. But the graph shape is very different. We have never done that. So when you plug in the points and plot it into the graph, you will have a very different graph. I just want you to get used to that.
Okay.
A nice question. Okay. I want one slant asymptote for sure. Yeah, this one. Yeah, these two. Just the shape of the graph is enough for me, guys. Meaning I'm not putting you under the bus. I just want to know the shape of the graphs for both. Okay. Slant asymptotes comes into picture whenever there is no horizontal asymptote. That is in the case of when the degree of the numerator is bigger than the degree of the denominator. Okay, when both the degrees are equal, what you'll have? When both degrees are equal, that the horizontal asymptote will be the coefficient of the highest degree of the numerator divided by the coefficient of the highest degree of the denominator. That becomes your horizontal asymptote. Try these two. Just show me the shape of the graph. We can move on.
Miss Priya, I'm confused on how to graph this.
I'll help you. What is the question? Where is the question? Oh, which one?
Like
This one?
for the first one, like how do you know what points you have to graph it with? Like I tried to factorize it to simplify it, but I don't know like how to go on after that.
Yeah, once I factorized it, I like
Okay, let's try it out together. When you factorize it, what happens?
I got x plus 1 over x plus 4, x minus 1.
I got that too.
yeah.
X minus 1, Amma.
Yeah,
And then x plus?
4.
Okay. So now, what is the horizontal asymptote here? Degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator, right?
Yeah.
So what is the horizontal asymptote? What are the vertical asymptote? First draw them. What is the horizontal asymptote in this scenario?
So
Y equal to 0 is blindly the horizontal asymptote.
yeah.
Okay. That's the horizontal asymptote. What are the vertical asymptote?
Vertical when x equals to 0, so
X equal to 1, x equal to minus 4, right, ma?
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good. Go ahead.
After that, do
Now,
we find the intervals?
yes, intercept. See, x equal to minus 1. What is it, x equal to minus 1? That is where you have a 0, right? X equal
Yeah.
to minus 1. This is a point. Now plot the other points. Please put in intervals, guys. Please put in minus infinity to, I would put in intervals like minus infinity to minus 4, minus 4 to 1, 1 to infinity. Within that, I will have at least 2 to 1. For me, the graph is a little difficult. That's why I brought up this problem. So put in at least 2, 3 points within each interval. And there is one more point, the x-intercept. You see? Yeah. So does it help you?
You just
Oh,
want me
Miss
to.
Priya,
Yeah.
do you want us to like show you the graph on our camera?
Yes, ma, please.
Oh.
Okay, I just need the shape of the graph. You don't need to slog yourself into plotting every point. That's not the intent. Abhinam, you're able to follow?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, could you check my graph?
Yes, ma. Perfect. Show me once more, Yukti. It seemed perfect, but there was some mistake. Yeah, ma. Perfectly correct.
Okay, check one.
One second. 1 second, please. I'll just go back and see. 1 second. Yes, Arush, I'm here. Arush, sorry, Arush. If you unblur, I can't see. If you blur, I can't see. Have you blurred
It
it?
isn't blurred. It's just like my camera's quality. It's like the
No.
camera focusing. Yeah, that's fine.
Some reason, yeah, that's correct. Good job, Harshika. You guys got it. Nice. Very
Maybe
nice. You can proceed to the second one. Just the shape of the graph, if you get it, then I'm sure you got it. For the Anya, you're doing slant asymptote. Amma, you're blurring. Yeah, Arush. I can clearly see now. Thank you, Arush. Not really, Anya. Anya, show me. Show me, Anya. Anya, are you doing slant asymptotes at school, ma?
Not yet.
Not yet. Anya, show me. Your graph seems incorrect. That's what I said. It's not a ordinary rational graph. You'll have to be very careful with the intervals and stuff. Abhiram, did you get it? Yeah, if you got the
Yeah, I'm
first one,
drawing it out right now.
please proceed to the second one, which is a slant asymptote. I really want to go ahead with radicals and rational exponents. Let's see. Let's see what I can do. This is module 11, right? Module 12 is what?
Miss Priya?
Yeah, one sec. Yep.
Can you check my first one?
Which one, ma? Oh, I think I made a mistake with this. No. 12. I'm checking. Yes. Are you showing? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That seems correct, Pranav. That seems correct. But what I want to make sure with your graph is Pranav, this one has to come here, Pranav. You see, this cannot come here like this. Did you see that, Pranav?
Yeah.
Anya, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
No. Did you get it really? Because.
No, I really did.
Okay, good, ma. Ashrita, correct. Okay, can we go to the second one, guys? So the domain for this one is a little tricky. Minus infinity to minus 4 is not included. Minus 4 to 1 is not included. 1 to infinity. Any questions on that? Domain. Sricharan, you didn't show me. Where are we?
Artha,
Huh?
Harry.
You are blurring and showing me. How will I know? That is correct. But did you understand? Okay. Can you do the second one, slant asymptote one? In the meantime, I really want to check where is this.
Auntie,
Yama. Huh?
can you help me do the second one? I'm still a little bit confused.
Yeah, absolutely.
So for the second one, I know that the one of the asymptotes is the would be -2 since it's x plus 2.
Uh-huh.
But since on the top it's like a quadratic, would it have a horizontal asymptote or vertical asymptote?
Here, ma, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, right? See, there are three cases for horizontal asymptotes. Degree of denominator greater than degree of numerator, right? In that case, horizontal asymptote is y equal to 0. Okay, degree of numerator is same as degree of denominator means horizontal asymptote will be equal to y will be equal to the highest degree m by n. M by n means suppose if we have x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 3. If you have it like this, see the coefficients of the highest degree 1 by 1. So the horizontal asymptote is y equal to 1. Okay, degree of denominator is less than the degree of numerator. Numerator is bigger means no horizontal asymptote. That's when you write it out as quotient plus divisor by remainder. Quotient plus remainder by divisor, you do it and then you graph it with a slant asymptote. Did you get it?
Yeah, and I understand. Thank you.
Okay, for Arush question on uh, I'll come up with something, Arush, and I will see how to graph it. This one is a slant asymptote, so you can try. Navneet, you did not show me the graph. Is it that you didn't understand?
Just a little bit. A little bit.
I want to quickly come up with a question like Arush asked. Cubic, right? Cubic divide by linear rational graphing is what you asked, right?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I'm kind of confused about the second one. Could you go over it?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm not sure if I did it right, but can I show you what I got?
Absolutely. Okay, I got a nice value, Arush. I got a nice problem for that. X square minus 4x by x minus 3 will work. X. One second. I just want to clarify what you asked. I don't want to keep that pending. X cube minus 4x works. X minus 3. If you play around minus 3. So I want to see the horizontal asymptote. What is the horizontal asymptote there? See, there is a horizontal asymptote. Oh, but that would be a... Okay. Yeah, you want to show me? Who wants to show?
Partially.
Yeah, Arush, your question was a cubic by a
Uh,
linear.
linear, I think, yeah.
A cubic by a linear, na, then there won't be any slant asymptote, right? This will be a quadratic, right? Plus remainder by divisor will be linear, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not able to see the graph, Master Charan. You are blurring and showing, right? Are you blurring and showing, or did you unblur?
I don't have my background blurred.
You have your background
I still have blurred.
unblurred, huh?
Blurred.
Not able to see, but that seems right to me, Sricharan. Nice. That seems right, Arush. If you guys get it, that's great. Somewhere something seems wrong in. Okay. Did you guys get it with the slant asymptote? Can we try doing that? That seems right, Anya. What was the question? Yukti, you needed help, right? X plus 1, x minus 1 by x plus 2.
Yeah.
I go to the restroom.
Yeah, you go ahead. X plus 1, x minus 1. So this will be x plus 1 times x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Oh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Is it okay. Abhiram, did you get the graph?
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Did
like
you
for the before ones? Yeah, I just didn't feel good. Do you want me to show it?
Yeah, would be nice. At least with the slant asymptote. I'll share my screen in Desmos. Next week it's a 1.5 hour class, right? So I'll catch up on the radical thing. Yes, Abhiram, do you want to show? I'm not able to see. That one is okay, but this one did you draw? This one did you draw with the asymptote?
Oh no, not yet.
Okay, so
I'm right now
basically,
doing that.
so here the degree of the numerator is bigger, right? First of all, this one amounts to x square minus 1 by x plus 2. Yukti, I'm explaining for you. So the degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, so you will end up having a slant asymptote, right? So there is no horizontal asymptote. Vertical asymptote is x equal to minus 2. Any questions there? Now x equal to minus 2 is your vertical asymptote, so I'll draw that graph. Okay. Now no horizontal asymptote, but you need to find the vertical asymptote. You need to find the slant asymptote. How do you do? I will divide and then write this as quotient plus remainder by divisor. How do I do it? Now x square plus 2x. When you subtract, this is 0x, right? So minus 2x, then you have a minus 1. Minus 2 if I do, minus 2x minus 4. So when you subtract, I get a 3. Now this becomes x minus 2 plus 3 by x minus 2, right? Now x minus 2 is your slant asymptote. X minus 2 is your slant asymptote means the line passes through this. You see? So here the line passes through this. This is your slant asymptote. Any questions here, guys? Then what I do is I draw the table. What are the intervals? Minus infinity. See, from minus infinity to minus 2 is one interval, right? I will draw the interval. Interval is here. Minus infinity to minus 2 and then minus 2 to infinity. Two intervals, but then I'll have a lot of points. Otherwise, I got this. Okay, I'll put points minus infinity to minus 2. So somewhere around minus 4.5, I'll start putting the points. Minus 4.5. Then I'll also plot for minus 3. Minus 4.5 I'll plot, minus 3 I'll plot, and then something around minus 2.5 I'll plot. After that, I'll go ahead with, we know from here, right, x plus 1, x minus 1 are the x-intercepts. X plus 1, x minus 1 are the intercepts, so easy to plot here. But in between, I want to put 0 and c in the equation. If I put 0 and c in the equation, 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 2, so minus 1 by 2. So that point is 0 comma 0 comma minus half. See, 0 comma minus half. This is 1, this is half. 0 comma minus half. So this plot is easy to get. Okay, for this one, I need to find out all these points, the y values, and then plot 3 points and then join. Any questions, Yukti?
No, but I was confused. So for like the interval between negative infinity to negative 2, you're just gonna find it as, is it like undefined? Is that how you tell that there's not like the graph on that side?
No, okay, good question, Yukti. Minus infinity to minus 2, the domain is there. Okay, wait. I understand why you're asking this. Yukti, I'll bring the graph up. You see, it goes on and on and on.
Oh, okay. So you're just saying if like the y is positive or negative of like whatever your like set
Correct.
asymptote
Meaning,
is.
yeah, the y value, see, wherever you go, x tends to minus infinity. Okay. The graph keeps on going like this. Okay, let me bring up the graph for you. No, no, no. I don't want this. See, you see my yukti?
Mm-hmm.
Even if you go to the negative infinity, the graph keeps on continuing. So the domain is very much valid.
Okay, I see.
You
So
got
you're
it?
just like seeing the
Yeah,
y
only
value.
yeah, only thing is it's below the slant asymptote. But your question is valid. This question I had when I was young learning. So you
Okay.
got it. So slant asymptote here. Only thing is the graph will be below the slant asymptote, but the graph will have proper y values, proper negative y values, even if it tends to minus infinity.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense.
Make
Yeah.
sense?
Hmm.
Hmm. Any other questions? Any other questions? Okay. Now I am just not sure why I'm. See, I want to do word problems in this rational functions. Abhiram, what was the next topic you said you're going to cover in school?
Oh, I believe that's rational exponents and radicals.
What is the module number in the book for that? Do you all know? Ashrita, can you check and tell rational exponents and radicals from the book? You're going to give me 1 minute, guys, because see, I don't have the physical book here in the place I am in, so I'm finding it tough to locate it. What is making it tough for me is, let me see myself.
Radical expressions and equations?
Yeah, in your book, which module is it, ma?
That's module 12.
Oh, module 12. Thanks. That relieves me of my stress. Module 12, law. Then I pasted this wrongly. Give me a minute. 12 to 16. You're going to give me a minute, okay? I really want to work on the word problems, but before working on the word problems, I really think this helps. Module 12. Okay, I have it incorrectly. That's the problem, I think. Okay, give me a minute. Module 12, radicals and rational exponent. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay, let's do this. Ashrita, I think module 12 to 16, whatever I have given in the Google Classroom is incorrect, ma.
Really?
Uh-uh. Did you check?
No, I didn't check yet because I didn't start.
I think that's incorrect. Okay, that is why the confusion. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead with this. You know basic rational expressions, you know, so I'll go ahead with radicals. Let's see.
I just wanted to point it out. The one in Google Classroom, it says this too large to preview.
Yeah. The thing is, I think it's of Algebra 1 book. Okay, I don't have access to that right now. I will try to get you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sorry about that, but I'll try to get you. My best I'll do this week, okay? Somehow I'll try to get you the module 12 answers, okay? Otherwise, I will give it to you only on March 1st when I reach back, okay? But I don't want to delay, I'll try to get you. How about this? Would you be able to simplify this, guys? This is a continuation of Algebra 1. I can do it if you want to. Just a refresher of algebra 1. If you put it like this, the radical can become a rational exponent. Radicals will become rational exponents. Whoever don't, if you don't remember, you can follow this. This, whatever is inside, let's say some t is inside, t power of 1 by 5. So it becomes rational exponent. So this becomes x power of 3, y power of 11, whole power of 5, whole power of 1 by 5. It's a rational exponent. Rational means a fraction, right? Fraction or a decimal or any number. Now, you can't simplify this, but you can simplify this. What is here? Do you see you have you can take out y power of 11 means you can write it out as y power of 10 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So you can write it out as x cube y square then y power of 1 by 5. Any questions on that? Any questions on that?
It's supposed to
No,
be
auntie.
3 by x power to 3 by
3 by
5.
5. Yes. Now these two I'll put in, take it out. This can be written as x cube y. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you need to be able to do anything that's given. Let's see. In algebra 1 it was way much easier. In algebra 2 it becomes way tougher. We will start with the easier ones, then we'll go ahead with harder ones. How about, let's see. How about if you have x power of 3 by 2 equal to 27. These are refresher first. X power of 3 by 2 is a 27. How do you do this? Whenever you see any thoughts, guys?
9.
Yeah. So this is a composite number. Express it as a prime power. 3 power of 3, right? X power of 3 by 2 is a 27. How did you solve, Arush?
So I just cube rooted both of the sides.
Wait, you cube rooted both of the sides, huh? Okay, so you cube rooted both of the sides means 1 by 3, right? Good.
Yeah.
So when you cube rooted, it became x power of 1 by 2 equal to 3. After that,
Then you just square both of the sides.
you then square both of the sides. Good job. So x will be equal to 9. Make sense? Okay, how about this? That's a little tricky. Let's see. We will get introduced and then we'll see next week this one, okay? Harshika, did I explain what you wanted, ma?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Now let's try doing this, otherwise we can see next week. So x minus 1 whole power 2 by 3 equal to 2 square. What to do here? I will take cube root. Can I take cube root? Can see there is already a cube root. Can I make cube on both the sides? If I cube both the sides, x minus 1 the whole square will be equal to 2 power of 6, which is 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 64. So what happens here? Take x minus 1 will be equal to plus or minus 8. X minus 1 will be equal to 8. X minus 1 will be equal to minus 8. X will be equal to a 9. X will be equal to a 7. X will be equal to a minus 9. Any questions, guys? Any questions? We are just discussing the basics, but if you didn't get it, let me know. Did you get these? Yeah, but things like this we'll solve next week. Next week we can catch up as well, because next 2 weeks we'll have 1.5 hour classes, right? So I can get a little bit ahead as well. For this week, I'm going to give you only homework on rational functions with slant asymptotes. Okay. Yeah. Any questions for me? Okay. If you don't
So
have
was
any
this
questions,
week not 1.5 hour?
no, ma, because there are a couple of kids that can't continue the
Okay.
class. So next week we'll do 1.5 hours. Make sense, ma? Yeah, there were a couple of no's to the poll. So I thought let's not make it inconvenient for anybody is what I thought. I'm okay whatever you want to. Okay. Any questions?
Auntie,
Yeah.
isn't it x equals -7 and x equals 9, not x equals 7 and x equals -9?
Ah, did I make a mistake? That's bad. 1 minute, wait. Let me see. So x minus 1 is equal to 8. Yes. Thanks. Really nice of you. Good job, Aryan. Plus 9 and a minus 7. Okay, I'll continue with this topic next week. Okay, guys?
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye, guys. See you all
Thank
next
you,
week. If you
Auntie.
don't have any
Thank you, Miss
questions, we
Thank you,
can
Priya.
Miss
log off.
Priya.
Have a
Bye.
good week ahead,
Thank
guys.
you,
Have
Miss
a nice
Priya.
week.
Bye, Auntie. Thank you, Miss
Bye.
Have a
Priya.
nice week ahead. Chetan, we are good, Chetan. Chetan, I am going to log off.